Hey there, my Dirt Dauber friends. It's been a while since I've given an update on the FJ40. Because I've been doing just basically a lot of sanding, and then recently picked this guy up here, this FJ55. There's a video on that explaining how I got it, and I'm gonna have a video coming out real soon with the walk around and all the details of things that need to be done for that project and the goals for that one as well. But I thought I'd give a quick update on the 40, and just so you know what's going on, and we are moving forward. So basically the main reason I have not done a video in a while is that, as you can see, this is what's been going on. Just a lot of sanding and mudding, trying to get this thing ready to paint. I'm hoping to paint it this week. I'm on spring break, and as you can see, I've got most of the body panels ready. This one needs a little bit more sanding, but the rocker panels are pretty good. I've got the interior here where there was some pitting from some surface rust, mudded up and ready to go. I'm not gonna try to make this thing into a show car. You can see probably right here there's some spot welds, things like that. I'm not cleaning up every one of those. I cleaned up a couple of them, but I've just decided that this thing needs to get on the road, and I'm not gonna try to make a show vehicle out of this. I spent another couple hours working on this door. I still need a little bit more sanding to get it just right, but it closes pretty good. I know that the paint is going to feel a little bit, probably, you know, 1/16 of an inch, so I need to do just a little bit more sanding around there. But I got these panels pretty straight. Look down this one, you can see pretty straight. This one over here looks really good because it was in a little better shape. And then my cowl vent up here has been filled in and sanded down. So the next step is finish this last little bit of block sanding, and then I'm going to put a coat everywhere. Well, I'm going to seal it again with some epoxy over the bodywork, and then rocker panels, quarter panels here, and probably this bed I'm going to shoot with a coat of some high build primer, and then that way I can sand it down, block it one more time, and get just the little bitty imperfections out. I know that there's going to be some left, and like I said, I'm not trying to get this thing to look like a show truck. Just want to do the best job I can, and then I'm going to convert my garage into a spray booth and spray this thing. All right, here's my plan for my spray booth. I've got some HVAC vents here. There were 4 here, I think, for like $4. I'm gonna put one of those in this window right here, or the other window. I got 2 windows here on my side of my garage. The other one I'm gonna put a fan in, and have the fan bringing new air in, actually blowing air out. So it'll suck air through those filters, get fresh air in there, and pull the air out. I obviously got to move these cars out of the garage, and I'm going to put some plastic up on that wall and move this stuff, clean it out, and basically make a spray booth out of this garage, and spray it down over the next couple days. The weather is nice. There's a chance of rain for a couple days. I may wait till we have a good dry day to do it, but I'm going to keep moving forward as best I can, getting this thing ready to get it painted. All right, I got this thing epoxied all done. Where I had the body work, I'm going to let it dry overnight before I spray the high build primer on it, but I'm going to put some seam sealer. I got some 3M seam sealer here, or actually it's Dynatron But I taped off the spot. I'm just going to seal up a couple of these seams right here. I'm going to do the underside really good, so when I flip it over probably tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to seal up under here these wheel wells really good, and really every little place underneath I can seal, I'm going to seal with this stuff. But the top up here, I'm just going to do a couple spots so it looks factory. All right, so I squirted the seam sealer up in there, taped it off first, and then I worked it into the joint with my finger and then let it dry for a minute. Then I came back and took the tape off, and it looks pretty good, especially these seams over here. I'll sand that down obviously, and when I paint it, prime it one more time. But I got these joints sealed nice and good, so I don't have to worry about water coming in. I'll make a video obviously as I spray and paint this thing, and you'll be able to follow along. I just wanted to give you an update on what's going on. This is still my primary project that I'm working on, and I want to get this thing on the road, at least painted on the road, and then I'm going to try to get that FJ55 running. I've got a video, like I said, coming out that's going to be a walk around, show you everything that needs to be done on it, and then the next video is going to be the goals, what I'm thinking for that one. It's a little bit different than this one. Let you in on a hint. We're going to get that thing running and have some fun with it. So follow along. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and join us as we continue on this Toyota Land Cruiser journey. Thanks for watching.